Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the latest version of the Windows 11. At the moment, you can see that the latest version of the Windows 11 is not released, but the very first preview of the Windows 11 is released. So you can see that this is the new Windows 11, the new look, the new design. It is good, it is amazing, and when you hover your mouse, you can see that uh, eh, you can see basically the new desktop, the new icons, how many of you have option opened, they are going to appear one after another. In the action center, they have basically that is no longer available, but when you click on the three icons next to it, it's going to bring the action center and then you can bring changes to it. So basically this is the new Windows 11. Some major changes is available here. The major changes also applied inside into the Microsoft Store. It is available, but unfortunately in my OS it's not showing. I don't know why, but I've brought some major changes. Maybe because the version which I'm using it is Windows 11 Home. So the thing is how you can download the latest version of the Windows 11. So the very first thing is that you need to have the Insider Microsoft account. At first, you have to go ahead to the Microsoft.com and then create an account for yourself. After that one, when you create a Microsoft account, though I don't think the Microsoft account will be needed, but again, it is good. When you did create a Microsoft account, just go ahead to the insider insider.windows.com and you have to sign up here for a Microsoft Insider program. And then once you signed up here, I think I'm already logged in. Yeah, I'm already logged in. You have to simply let me have to open it inside the incognito. Okay, now here you have to register the in the Microsoft Insider program. Once you register yourself inside the Insider program, you have to go ahead to the settings of your computer. Uh, Inside the settings of your computer, once you got there, let me have to basically bring the screenshots. This way you'll understand better. Okay, what are all those steps? Yeah. Now you have to come here and then click on the get started. Remember, you have to log in inside your computer with the Microsoft account. It is needed. After that one, when you click on the get started, you can see that it's saying that you have to link yourself the computer with uh, the insider program account. So after that one, you have to choose. Here I'm choosing the Microsoft account, which is linked with the insider program. After that one, it is explaining for you that these three options are available: developer options, the beta, and then release preview options. So you can read about them there. And then there's also, once you click confirm there, you have to again confirm with the privacy and the policy. After that one, you have to restore the system. It's going to restore the system, and again will say that nothing has happened. Actually, it will happen, and that is that you have enrolled inside the Windows Insider program. When the Microsoft update a new update of the new Windows, you can get it through the update. So now you can see that at the moment the setting is for me beta channel. I think that I can access that one also here. Okay, now you can see here are the key settings. At the moment, the current Windows Insider, it is in the developer option. It is not the beta nor the release version. When if the beta version is selected, you cannot download at the moment the current version of the Windows 11. But uh, when you choose the developer option, click check for updates. It is going to download the updates for you. So I have taken screenshots of them too. Here you can see that it is downloading the Windows Insider program. You can see that it is 5% downloaded. After that one, once it's downloaded, it's going to install the Windows Insider program. Now you can see it is installing the Windows Insider program inside here, and it's still installing. Once the Insider program is installed. You can see here is the version. You have to simply click restart now, and it's going to restart the PC. And after that one, I think it's going to take 10 to 15 minutes to install the updates inside your computer. After that one, once the restart is done, boom, you are inside the new Windows 11. So this is how you can simply download the new Windows 11. So at first you have to go to insider.microsoft.com, create a new account for yourself, then go to the settings, go to the insider option, go to the Windows Insider program. From there, you have to choose Get Started. And once you did that one, simply the system will restart. Then you have to come to the settings for the Insider program settings. The system will simply restart. And if there was any update, it will download itself to the computer. So this is how you can simply download the new Windows Insider program or the latest version of the Windows from Microsoft itself. Till next time, have a nice time and goodbye.